Hey everyone, today I'll be unboxing my Link Smart Wi-Fi plug. It has also the energy monitoring capabilities. It's the HS110. It works with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa, but only after you pair your CASA account, because this is a CASA device where it's it's a CASA device, and after you pair your account with your Google Home, you can easily control your smart plug via your assistant. So let's get going. You also can control your smart plug from the distance within the CAS app. You can turn on and turn off, and you can also get an automatization, so you can monitor, you can schedule if you have a heater or something else. It will help you to see your power consumption within the app and to set the on-off between the day, the schedule. So it helps a lot. It also helps if you have for example, your iron connected and you forgot it, and you can manually turn off from the distance. As you can see, the guide was shoveled here. Okay. Let's turn it upside down. Here is the correct position. Here is some paperwork. Here's a quick guide how to download and to connect your smart plug. So the plug is pretty basic, nothing special here. You have a settings button, on-off button. Is the European model. It supports up to 3680 watts and then a maximum of 16 amps. You have here a sticky foil which you need to remove to ensure your smart plug doesn't heat up. This is actually the version 3.0. Okay, so let's plug it in. As you can see, the green power on light is showing LED, and the white LED is turned to green. It's flashing green and yellow. I must go into my CAS app. I will show you in a different video how to connect them. This is my second smart plug. I also have another one which my laptop is connected, and I monitor the different power usages, and also when it's not needed, the power brick I am disabling via the voice. I'll resume when everything is connected. So I have linked my Link Smart Plug to the Google Home via the CASA app. Let's unmute the mic on Google Home.
The mic's back on.
Okay. Okay, Google, Turn off Smart Plug 2.
Okay, turning Smart Plug 2 off.
Okay, Google. Turn on Smart Plug 2.
Okay, turning Smart Plug 2 on.
As you can see, it perfectly.
Sorry, I can't help with that yet, but my team is helping me learn. The mic is muted.
As you can see, the smart plug works pretty well. It is perfectly integrated with Google Home. You can control it via the app from your phone. You can control it via your smart speaker. I assume you can control it also via your Alexa smart assistant, and you can turn it off manually. Here up top is the Wi-Fi connection, which always remains on. So this was my unboxing of Link HS110 Smart Plug. I hope you enjoy it. Like if you liked it, dislike if you disliked it, and have a nice day.